Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is our country Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on August 14, 1947. It is situated in the continent of Asia. Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces: Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Balochistan. Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan in terms of area. Its provincial capital is Quetta. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is a hilly area. It has many mountains. Its capital is Peshawar. Punjab. Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. The 5 rivers are 1. Ravi River, 2. Jhelum River, 3. Chenab River, 4. Satluj River, 5. Indus River. Sindh. Sindh is the land of sunny beaches and golden deserts. Its capital is Karachi. Pakistan also has 2 administrative areas. 1. Azad Jammu Kashmir AJK. 2. Gilgit-Baltistan GB. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.